In this video, I'm going to show how to take the KLIA Express train from Kuala Lumpur International Airport into the city to KL Sentral, the main train station. This is what it looks like in Terminal 2 right after you leave the arrivals area. It is very busy and very modern and quite impressive, the number of businesses and restaurants, even clothing stores. So if you are hungry after a long flight, as you can see here, there are many options for getting a bite to eat. I'm going to take a quick walk around here so that you can see all the options. There are currency exchanges. There are transportation options. My last video, actually, I did a arrival into the airport, into Kuala Lumpur Airport video while I am still in the arrivals area, and I will leave a link in the description so you can check that video out as well. It outlines where you can hit ATMs, currency exchanges, everything really before you get out into this part of the airport. Now right here, if you take a turn to the right, you will actually get to the KLIA Express station where you can buy tickets and go downstairs to get onto the train. I'm going to make a little square around the area here, just as I'm really quite interested to look and to show all of these amazing options. It's basically like a fully equipped shopping mall, really, once you get out of the arrivals area. So very impressive here, and I'm just going to show a little bit of this before I go and buy a ticket to the KLIA Express and head into Kuala Lumpur, into KL Sentral. This big pink sign is the KLIA Express, and actually there are signs really all over the airport. It's really well marked as to how to get to both the KLIA Express and how to get to ride shares, taxis, everything really that you might need. Shuttles to Terminal 1, shuttle bus. You can actually take a shuttle bus to Terminal 1, or you can take the KLIA Express to Terminal 1 if you need to change terminals. So this is the ticket machine where you can purchase a ticket into the city. The KLIA Express and the KLIA Transit are essentially the same train or the same train line. The difference is that the KLIA Express goes Terminal 2, Terminal 1, and then skips all the middle stops and goes straight to KL Sentral, whereas the KLIA Transit makes 3 additional stops on the way into KL. So the cost to get to KL Sentral was 55 ringgits, which is about $13.75 USD, and I paid that with a credit card. Scan the barcode on your ticket at this gate, and then you are let in. Everything is very efficient and easy. and just like everything seems to be in Malaysia, seems to work quite well, at least from my experience. There is a ticket counter as well, as you can see here, but I don't believe it was staffed when I was purchasing my ticket. To get to the train level, take the escalator downstairs, and the attendant at the train helped me out, but I can see now from the signs the KLIA Transit is a blue sign, and that one was ready to leave, and the gentleman lets me know I'm on the KLIA Express, which is on the other platform. And again, a reminder, the KLIA Express goes just Terminal 2, Terminal 1, and then KL Sentral, whereas the KLIA Transit does make 3 stops into KL. We made one stop at Terminal 1, KLIA 1, and then set off to KL Sentral. have arrived at KL Sentral, which is the main transit hub for the city of Kuala Lumpur. The voyage took about 28 minutes from KLIA 1 or 33 minutes from KLIA 2.